UFO World Congress. Welcome to about 2,500 scientists from over 80 countries. Included in this number are about 400 students whom we are especially pleased to welcome, since they will be the future of UFO. Moreover, from Thursday to Saturday, about 1,200 professional foresters from the Society of American Foresters and the Canadian Institute of Forestry will join us. This will be the biggest congress for foresters ever held in the United States and over the world. You have all done wise in coming, since great efforts have been undertaken to make this the best UFO World Congress ever in the 122 years history of UFO. Now, when I was 25 years old, I participated in my first UFO World Congress. It took place in Oslo, the capital of Norway, in 1976.